Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can generate a script from ChatGPT. You just have to provide some details and ChatGPT will an engaging script for you guys, and you can sell that or make YouTube videos from it, and you can use it in your personal work as well. So what you have to do, you have to open the ChatGPT. So as you can see, I'm going to open the ChatGPT. So as you can see, the ChatGPT is open. Now what we need to do, we have to provide it some information. If you want to write the information by yourself, you can also do that. Or if you apply a shortcut way, for example, I want the script and what is freelancing. So I'm going to search for the what is freelancing, and now you have to press the enter. After pressing the enter, you will get some articles. So we are going to open that. For example, I'm going to open this one. You have to click on this. Let's open some articles. So I'm going to open this one as well. So as you can see, they have provided all the information. We have to copy that. For example, I'm going to copy this one. So like copy this, and after copying this, we are going to paste this one here. And now let's go to here again, and now scroll this. You can copy these all things, like copy it, and after copying it, you have to paste this again here, and now go and now scroll it again and copy these points as well. For example, we are going to copy these, and let's go to the back, and now copy till this, and now go to back, paste it again, now come here. You can also copy this once, and after copying that, you can write the command that generate the script from it. So as you can see, I'm copying this one, and now let's paste this again here. I'm going to paste this. So let's go to the end of this, and now paste this one again. Now simply we just have to write that generate the script from it. So I'm going to write this. So as you can see, has the script. ChatGPT is generating our script, that what it is and how does it work, and all the points it has mentioned all the script. So finally, as you can see, the ChatGPT has generated a script for us. If you want to make changes in it, you can also do that. You just have to provide the comment. If you want to make it bigger, you have to write make it bigger and present it. It will do all the things. If you want any change, you just have to mention that, and it will do that. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.